What is good, guys? Justin or OV update back again with another video. And today, guys, I just want to go over everything that I am dropping on the site today. I thought I'd give you guys a quick video. We got around $2,000 worth of OVO. If you add up everything on the site, it's around $2,000. So I'm gonna go over everything we got for the quick $2,000 haul. This is all stuff you guys have not seen before on the channel, as well as an unboxing that I'm also gonna be throwing up on the site that I just got in today. So let's start off with the big one right here, the Mr. Cartoon Hoodie. As you guys can see, this one is not a cheap piece, guys. I have this one up for $350 on the site. Take a look at that amazing graphic on the back. This one is for $350. Again, sold out very fast. LA Grove exclusive. Whoever gets this piece, man, congratulations. You picked up, honestly, a grail. Next up, let's move on to this one right here, the OG UK t-shirt. Awesome piece. This one is a size medium. As you can see, it has that nice reversed collar. Then we got the Canada. Again, another nice, amazing piece. Whoever gets this Canada, shout out, it was just Canada Day yesterday. Awesome piece. More t-shirts, guys. The 3M Runner logo, essential for the house, just chilling around. Again, look at this one, guys. The garment dyed t-shirt. This one is basically DS, size medium. Another great piece. Next up, we got the After Dark OG Owl. This is a slept on OG Owl piece. This white line actually glows in the dark entirely. Very cool OG Owl with the full embroidery. And take a look at this. A lot of people don't know this. This actually has the kangaroo pockets. Unlike the traditional OG Owl where it is the seam pocket, this is the only one to have the kangaroo pocket. So again, DS as well for under retail with free shipping. Whoever picks up this OG Owl, whoever's been in the market, definitely a come up on this piece. Moving on, guys, we got tons of OVO. Center Owl, Drake wore this in Chicago Freestyle. Great piece. We got a beanie for the winter. Not too sure how this one will sell because it is like 30 degrees out, but we got a beanie just in case anybody wants one. We got another great t-shirt, dead stock. I think they called this the tennis tee. You can see the tennis ball in there. We got a nice pair of shorts in baby blue. Basically dead stock, just don't have the tag. Canada Goose hat right here. This is 1 out of 150. Super rare. So whoever picks this up can be flexing the goose in the summer. Goes perfectly with the Porter collection. And then last but not least, well, actually before we get to the hoodies, another hat in gray. Pretty interesting style, something I definitely wouldn't wear. But if you like the style, I got it up for a great price. All right, and now to one of my favorite pieces actually in this whole drop, this Camo OG Owl. This one's a size small, great condition. A lot of the camo pieces are in terrible condition if you guys see online, but this one, great condition. And then a OG Owl, so this is the 2015 version. Again, great condition for being 5 years old, still with the drawstrings. A lot of them now do not even come with them. Great piece if you're an extra small or a small. This will be an essential for your collection. So guys, I just did around $2,000 worth of OVO in like 3 minutes. Pretty crazy, I know. But let's quickly unbox this piece. I'll show you guys what it is, and it will also be on the site for a great price. All right, that box was a bit of a pain to get into, but here it is. We have the Collegiate crew neck. Great piece. Just has a little stuff on that, little dust from the transit, but again, in amazing condition. And this is actually, let me move this to the side. This is actually the original one from the first ever release. So if you know, you know, honestly. It's that nice cream colorway in a size large. I actually forgot what size this was. I definitely needed a large for the site. Debated on keeping this for myself actually, because this is just one of those summer crew necks. You're at the cottage, you're out with the fam. Plus, you pull up in this crew neck, man. This one's proper. This is the best Collegiate collection, the purple, the black, and this cream one right here. So again, I'm probably gonna have this one on the site for around $100. Free shipping. You guys know the drill. But stay tuned. 3 p.m. today. 12 p.m. PST, 3 p.m. EST. All this stuff will be available. Pretty good pricing. I want to say all the pricing on here should be the lowest prices you could get on the internet. So I've seen this hat go for like 2K. I've seen these go for like 3. OG Owls, you guys know the deal. But stay tuned. Link in the description if you want to get your hands on any of these pieces. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.